Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to close a Fidelity Brokerage account. Let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of methods that you can use. The first is online closure. Now, how you want to perform that is to first log into your Fidelity account, and then you want to select the account and trade option, and then select account settings. And now you got to select the close accounts option, and of course just follow the prompts to confirm the closure. You also need to review the account closure details and verify that the account is closed. Now for mobile app closure, which is the second method, what you want to do here is to open the Fidelity mobile app on your device and then log into your account, and then choose the more option and select account setting. And then you want to select the close accounts option and just follow the prompt to confirm the closure. Also just review the account closure details and verify that the account is indeed closed. Now for phone closure, which is the third method, all you got to do here is just call Fidelity's customer service. The number is right there on the screen, and that's going to connect you to a representative, and all you got to do is just inform the representative that you want to close your brokerage account. You're going to need to review the account closure details with the representative and verify that the account is indeed closed. Now you can also do that via mail. How you want to do that is by first access the Fidelity website and download the account closure form, and then you gotta send the completed form to Fidelity's address listed on the form. So of course you gotta fill that form and then send that to Fidelity's address, because the address is listed on the form. So you gotta mail that in, and just wait for Fidelity to process the account closure and verify that the account is indeed closed. Now there are some important considerations for closing your account. The first is to transfer or sell securities. So before closing your account, you want to make sure that you transfer or sell any securities held in the account. The second is you want to pay any outstanding fees or balances before closing your account. The third, of course, is to update any direct deposits or withdrawals associated with the accounts. Yeah, that's pretty important to note, so you got to take note of that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to close a Fidelity brokerage account. Hope you guys found that video the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.